Hi, hello guys, welcome to the IS coaching channel. Today we're gonna share you the most important MCQs on Indus Valley civilization. The first one, which of the following was common both to the Harappan society and Rigvedic society? The answer is horses. Which one of the following archaeologists initially discovered the Mohenjo-daro sites of Indus Valley civilization? Answer, Rakhal Das Banerjee. Which among the following throws light on Harappan culture? Answer, archaeological findings. What is the name of the script of the Harappans? The Harappan has not yet been deciphered. The cities of Kalibangan and Lothal are associated with answer, Harappan culture. The excavations at which of the following sites provide the evidence of maritime trade being carried out on during the period of Harappan culture? Answer, Lothal. The Harappans did not know the use of answer, iron. Harappan cultures was spread over answer, Sindh, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and some parts of Maharashtra also. The Aryans succeeded in their conflicts with the pre-Aryans because they used chariots driving by horses. They used chariots driven by horses. The Great Bath of Indus Valley civilization is found at answer, Mohenjo-daro. The glory of Harappan culture rests chiefly on answer, town planning. The staple food of Vedic Aryans was answer, barley and rice. The Harappan civilization is known for its answer, drainage. Lothal is a site where dockyards of which of the following civilizations were found? Answer, Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan site culture because answer, Harappa was the first site to be excavated in Indus Valley. Of the following sites associated with the Indus Valley civilizations, one located in India is Lothal. With which period is Indus Valley civilization is associated? Answer, 2300 to 1750 BC. Which of the following is correct? Indus Valley civilization existed even before the spread of Harappan culture? Wrong. Indus Valley civilization coexisted with Aryan civilization? Answer, wrong. Indus Valley people used material made of iron? Wrong. The Indus Valley civilization was an urban civilization? Yes. The Indus Valley civilizations people had the knowledge of gold, silver, copper, bronze, lead but not iron. Which of the following is the most important feature of Indus Valley civilization? Answer is burnt brick buildings. The Indus Valley people had trade relations with Mesopotamia. Knowledge about the existence of which of the following animal is doubtful in the Indus Valley civilization? Answer, horse. The script of Indus Valley civilization is, it is nearly related to Dravidian language. The Indus Valley people were worshippers of answer, mother goddesses. Which one of the following archaeologists initially discovered the Mohenjo-daro site of Indus Valley Civilization? Answer: Rakhal Das Banerjee. The relics of pre-Aryan civilizations have been unearthed at. Answer: Mohenjo-daro. Which among the following is a place in Larka districts of Sindh province in Pakistan? Answer: Mohenjo-daro. Which among the following is a place in Montgomery district of Punjab province in Pakistan? Harappa. Please remember that Mohenjo-daro and Harappa civilizations are located in present Pakistan. Where did the Archaeological Department of India carry out the excavation in Indus Valley? Answer: Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in 1921. What led to the end of Indus Valley civilization? Invasion of Aryans, recurrent floods, earthquakes. What were the residential houses of Indus Valley people made of? Answer: baked bricks. Who was the main female goddess worshipped by Indus people? Answer: mother goddesses. Who was the main male god worshipped by Indus people? Answer: Lord Shiva. Which among the following was worshipped by Indus people? Stones, trees, and animals. Indus people are polytheist. Which was the most frequent depicted animal? Answer: unicorn. Consider the following statements and mark the opinion which is correct. Pashupati's seal has been found from Lothal. Wrong. Because Pashupati idol is found in Harappan site. The Harappan bricks were made of 1:2:4. Right answer. For small measurements, binary system, and for big measurement, decimal system were used in Harappa. Yes, right. Persian Gulf seals have been found in Lothal. Yes. Answer is 2, 3 and 4. Remains of horse bones have been found from Surakotada. A seal depicting mother goddesses with plant growing from her womb has been found from Mohenjo-daro site. There has been an absence of seal in Alamgirpur site. From where a stone cut water reservoir has been discovered? Answer: Dholavira. Consider the following statements and mark the opinion which is correct. The predominance of mother goddesses denotes the people's faith in fertility cult. Right. Mainly offensive weapons were found in Harappa. Right. 6 types of pottery have been discovered in Kali Bangan, Rajasthan. Yes, right. Painting on jar resembling the story of cunning of Pancha Tantra has been found from Lothal. Right. Yes. Consider the following statements and mark the opinion which is correct. The first man-made port was found in Harappa. No. The main crops of Indus Valley civilizations were wheat and barley. Yes. The largest Harappan settlement in India is Rakegiri in Haryana. Yes. The largest number of settlements are in Ghaggara, Hakara Valley. Answer right. So answer will be 3. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Consider the following statements and mark the opinion which is correct. The rice has been found from Lothal and Rangpur. Right. Evidence of signage on walls has been discovered from Dolaware. Right. A 13-roomed house from the overlap period has been discovered from Bhagwanpura. Answer right. The steatite figure of beard man has been discovered from Mohenjo-daro site. Answer right. Consider the following statements and mark the opinion which is correct. The broken ivory was used as scale in Chanhodaro. Yes. During the burial, bodies were extended in north-south direction. Right. Ganerinkala site is situated in Bahawalpur, Pakistan. Answer right. The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro measures 12 into 7 into 3 meters. Right. So answer will be all of the above. The script of Harappan people consisted of a family of quasi pictographic writings. They are pictographic writings. There will be no words, but there are words are represented in form of pictures. Like they will have symbols like bull, birds, dogs, etc. Which of the following present the most significant feature of Indus Valley civilization? The burnt bricks buildings. Which of the following is incorrect concerning Mohenjo-daro? There was no drainage system. The source of blue gemstone, lapis lazuli, for the people of Harappan culture was taken from Afghanistan. The Indus Valley houses were built of bricks. Of the following Harappan sites, those are not in India. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are in present Pakistan. Which of the following is not an Indus Valley civilization? Answer Kaushambi. The latest Harappan site discovered in Gujarat is Kuntasi. Which Harappan site is associated with the rice cultivation? Answer is Lothal. Lothal is also a seaport. The tools and weapons of Harappan civilization were mostly made of copper, tin and bronze. The Lothal civilization was known for drainage system. The spread of Harappan civilization is coterminous with the wheat producing zone. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1912 but excavated in 1921. Traces of which of the following has not been found in Indus Valley civilization? Sugarcane. The ornaments of Indus people were made of precious stones, copper and bronze, gold and silver. Answer is all of the above. The animal picturized on the most Harappan seal is unicorn. Button size seal of Harappan civilization have symbol of swastika. Bead making workshops are found in answer Lothal and Chanhodaro. Indus people depended on Rajasthan for supply of tin and slate. An ivory scale is found from Lothal. The Harappan script is similar to which script? Answer, Dravidian script. The Indus people imported lead from South India. The Harappa is situated on the banks of river Ravi. Evidence of ploughing. The land is found from Kalibangan, Rajasthan. Harappan seals were mostly made up of? Answer, steatite. Trace of canal built by Indus people is found near Shortugai. The evidence of ship or big boat has been found from Mohenjo-daro. The Indus site, which is 60 hectares in Gujarat, is Dholavira. The Indus people imported copper from? Answer, Baluchistan, South India and Arabia. A terracotta model of ship is found from Lothal. In which direction the dead were buried by the Harappans? North-south position. According to the archaeologists, the settlements of Mohenjo-daro shrank in its decline from 85 hectares to 3 hectares. The decline of urban phase of civilization is evident from vanishing of Harappa script, the disappearance of bronze tools, no more redware pottery with black design. Answer is all of the above. Which of the following statement is not correct? Mohenjo-daro was flooded a number of times. Yes. Harappa was flooded twice. It's wrong. Chandu-daro was inundated. Right. Some settlements in Balochistan were destroyed by fire. Right. Cemetery H is situated in? Answer, Mohenjo-daro. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.